So Palantir stock just keeps on rocking and rolling, guys, up yet again on the day, about 1%. We actually almost hit $44 per share today. And the beautiful thing is this was all in the midst of a red day here in the United States across all of the indexes. We're talking the Russell, Dow, NASDAQ, S&P, all of those went down after we got the CPI data this morning, and Palantir just kept on going up, guys, hitting almost $44 per share, which is a dollar shy of the all-time high. So we have to break down the charts. You guys know the drill, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do, and overall where I see Palantir stock going in the short term. So guys, run the likes up, make sure to subscribe, and get up to 15 stocks for a moo with at least a $100 deposit, linked right down below, guys. And for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that's unheard of. So again, that's linked down below, or simply go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So check it out. Palantir stock hit a high on the day of $43.88. And we pretty much ran right out of the gate. Actually, not really. I mean, we opened up, chopped around a little bit for the first hour of trading. Then we started running, and we hit $43.88, which, by the way, that took out the highs. That move got us above the highs from yesterday. Then we saw a bit of a sell-off heading into power hour, right? You guys can see after we hit $43.88, almost $44, we sold off to about 43 flat, so we sold off about 2%. And then look at the strength here in the bulls, guys. We ripped heading into closing at about, 43.50. We then broke back over the moving averages, got a golden cross heading into close here on the intraday. So this looks so good, guys. And just when you thought Palantir is due for a pullback, it just keeps on going, man. The momentum is insane. And ever since really the S&P 500 inclusion, the momentum has been insane. Because look, all of these, fund managers, all of these indexes that, follow the S&P, guess what? They have to buy Palantir. They have to add it to the fund because it got added to the index. And we've just seen a crazy influx of buying here. And again, the momentum just keeps on going. Here on the 5-day, 5-minute, you guys can see we took out the highs, like I said, from yesterday. And obviously from the last couple of days here, every day it seems like we're taking out the previous day's highs. I mean, it's not every day, but most days recently, that's how we've been, trading, taking out the previous day's highs. It's just how it is, guys, in this, market for Palantir stock. And look, now officially, in just the past week, a little bit over a week, Palantir stock's up from $36 per share all the way to almost $44 today. We're up over 20% officially from pretty much where we were a week ago, which is just mind-blowing, right? Mind-boggling. And if I pull up the 20-day chart, now you guys can see we're up almost, I was going to say $1. I don't know why. I was going to say $1. Way more than $1, guys. We're up almost $10. $10 from where we were less than a month ago, which means percentage-wise, we're up around 26% in the past month, less than a month, more like 3 weeks. And look, we're completely ripping on the 4-hour time frame, no doubt about it. And on the max chart, guys, we're $1.50 away from all-time highs. This is insane. Did I think it was going to happen this year? I didn't. I've said this before on the channel. My price target for this year, months ago, was $30. I was like, all right, $30 per share by the end of this year. That is in the cards, That's what I was saying months ago. We have it documented here on the channel. And, well, we hit $30, we ripped right through it. And now we're at $40, mid-40s, pushing all-time highs. And I did not think, I'll be honest, that was going to happen this year. I didn't think that was going to happen. But here we are, guys, pushing $45 per share. So my prediction right now in the short term is I think we're going to hit all-time highs. I'll be honest. I think we hit all-time highs, and then after that, we get a pullback. I think we're due for a pullback overall, not to burst your bubble, right? You know, I'm a Palantir bull. I love the stock. I'm in it. I'm up a ton, 100% plus now in my position, right? It's beautiful, but we got to be realistic. And here on the channel, guys, I try to be as realistic as possible, and I hopefully come through that way here in the videos. You know, we called the pop, the breakout. You know, it's exceeded our expectations, or at least my expectations for this year. So I'm thinking the stock wants all-time highs in the short term. All right, let's do it. Let's get it. All-time highs. But once we hit that point, $45, we got $1 away earlier today. I think we're going to get a pullback. It's only a matter of time. It's going to happen, guys. It's going to happen where, you know, we're going to have a couple red days in a row, and they could be sharp pullbacks. You know, don't be surprised if Palantir just gaps down 5% one day. You know, you got to be ready for that. And that would be healthy, to be honest. If we saw, you know, a gap down of 5%, maybe some selling across, you know, a couple of days, right, to get it closer to the moving averages on the 4-hour time frame. I think that's going to happen, right? And look, whenever you have a stock that has green day after green day after green day, you have to realize it goes both ways. You can see a red day followed by a couple more red days, right? So don't be surprised if we, hit all-time highs. That would not surprise me at all. Maybe at some point tomorrow at this rate. Who knows? Maybe next week, right? Don't be surprised if that happens. And B, don't be surprised if once we do hit that, you know, we start to get some sort of cool-off, maybe sideways trading even. But I'm thinking we need a pullback. Forget sideways trading. I think we need a bit of, you know, sell-off here. A couple percentage points, maybe a couple dollars, nothing crazy. I think that's going to happen, guys. It's in the cards. Don't have your head in the sand and think, oh, it's going to go up forever. It's going to pull back. The question is when. I think it's going to happen after, excuse me, guys, we hit all-time highs. You know, I think we're going to get a little bit of a sell-off. I could be wrong, though. Who knows? This could be a rocket ship that's taken off all the way to $50 before we cool off, pull back, for all we know, right? We don't really know. So for that reason, like I've been saying in these videos, guys, I'm not selling a dime. I'm holding on to Palantir. You know, I'm not selling a dime of it. I'm not letting greed take the best of me. You know, I'm in at $20 per share, so I'm up over 100% at this point. I know a lot of you guys are up more than that, which is nuts. But yeah, I'm not going to get tempted because, yes, I think we're going to get a pullback. But after that, over the coming quarters, over the coming, you know, year or two, I think we're going to rebound and go even higher. It's not like we're going to get a pullback, in my opinion, and then dump all the way to $20 again. I don't think that's going to happen, guys. Who knows? Never say never. I hope that doesn't happen, but I truly don't think it will. And I think any pullback here will be bought up, but you got to realize it's going to come. A pullback is going to come, so be ready for it. Be ready for it. The chart looks pretty stretched here on the 4-hour. So, yeah, what do you guys think about that? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm very curious. Make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe as well. We're almost at 40,000 subscribers, guys. We're so close. I can taste it. And make sure to join the Patreon. Shout out to everybody out there that's been supporting and joining the Patreon. I have been building out a portfolio on there where you see all the buys, all the sales, real-time, you know, transactions. We post it all on Patreon, and that portfolio has been crushing the S&P 500, guys. So check out the Patreon, link down below in the description box. I'll also pin it in the comment section as well. I'll see you guys in there, and with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.